A few years ago, I just was physically active because I like to be competitive and just to play with my kids. But I started losing family to health-related issues. So my husband and I decided that being more active and eating healthy was a better choice for us so that we could have a better quality life and to be able to stay around longer for our own kids. We have always pushed our children to be active and be competitive and to always give their best. And it's always been important to me and my husband, if we're expecting that out of them, then we better do the same thing. So if we're telling them, you're going to school to play basketball, you need to stay in shape, well, we try to get out there and do the same thing so that they don't feel alone and that we're setting the example.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny Recipe Series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru Talk. Torigun.
Today we are making pumpkin seed granola. For this recipe you will need 2.5 cups of oats, 3/4 cup of roasted pumpkin seeds, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. In a medium bowl, combine oats, pumpkin seeds, and cinnamon. Add applesauce and mix well. Pour granola onto a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Stir halfway through baking. The Otoe word for pumpkin is wadwa. Pumpkins were grown by Native Americans long before Europeans arrived. Native Americans dried strips of pumpkin and wove them into mats. They also roasted long strips of pumpkin on an open fire and ate them. Today, roasted pumpkin seeds are used in many recipes and make great additions to snacks like granola and trail mix. Remove granola from oven and cool. Add cranberries and mix well. This recipe makes 7.5 servings. 1 serving is 1/2 cup. Store granola in an airtight container or in individual snack bags for an easy on-the-go snack. Make this recipe your own. For more flavor, pumpkin pie spice or allspice could be used instead of cinnamon. Roasted peanuts, pecans, sunflower seeds, or pepitas could be used instead of pumpkin seeds. Instead of dried cranberries, try raisins, dried plums, or dried apples. Enjoy granola as a snack on its own or as a topping on your favorite yogurt.